What is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Mexico? Typically, the answers are beaches, tequila, tacos, and Cancun. However, this culture-filled country has much more to offer. While its jungles are dominated by stunning ruins, its streets are congested with incredible foods. As most people visit Mexico for the beaches and margaritas, I spend my time exploring its best offerings.
I'm 100% going to be getting absolutely sacrificed.
I'm Ryan Tingle, and for as long as I can remember, I have wanted to travel. To explore exotic destinations while igniting my taste buds with the world's best delicacies. Finding the best spot for a sunrise, even if it's on the edge of a cliff. And come face to face with culture, whether it's Sacramento or time to party. My goal has always been to experience, and from that experience, inspire others to go outside the box and enjoy life. Welcome to Educational Globetrotters. Get ready for the adventure. Our journey takes us to the Yucatán Peninsula. Beautiful, relaxing, and adventure-filled are some of the words that define this stunning area. The peninsula plays host to some of the world's most pristine beaches and history like that of Tulum. While the state of Quintana Roo has incredible and sparkling waters, I chose to spend this trip in Yucatán. Now, being our first video for EG Trotters, I didn't want the intro to be corny. I searched and I searched and I searched, and I just don't know if I found it. Found a good tequila though. Bug. It hit me in the face.
Getting attacked by bugs right now, first of all, so I'm sorry. Bugs all over the place because we're in the middle of the jungle. But the truth is, there are 1,000 bees right now biting me. One just hit me in the face. A little bit beat up, but the rest of it is... At a Mayan tunnel. I don't know what the hell's going on. Welcome to my show. You're not even recording me. I'm over here, not over there. We are in absolute lush jungle. Not only
so many ruins to see, we have so many ruins to see, we have so many ruins to see.
Not only were these ruins once very quiet before that happened, that's ringing a damn bell. I'm trying to talk. Piece of Mexico City, and there's a toucan in that tree. On this trip, ugh, in the middle of the jungle, up. Some of my favorite. Damn it. So, I don't forget what I was gonna say. Let me get it. I don't know what to say. Hold on. And blanket Chiapas. I'm going to shine. It's grande.
Es grande.
Let's see, and where to go. Like I'm talking to you. Talking right at you. Sunglasses or no. Throughout this video, I don't like that.
We have so many ruins to see, we have so many ruins to see.
I can't handle this. Oh, now we're talking.
Sometimes simple and easy is the best way to go.
Bienvenidos a Mexico.
I think I found it. Most trips to Yucatán start from the same destination, the capital, Merida. While Merida is a perfect home base or jumping off point, it is worth staying for a while to eat some of its authentic Yucateca style cuisine.
Kissing, Mayan god, kissing, Mayan devil, not even a god. Anyway, so First off, look at all these sauces. This one is it's made with peanuts. This one's pure garlic. It's like an Italian Mexican sauce, which is phenomenal. Throw that in your guacamole, game over. Anyway, so this is actually pastor. It's black. I don't know why it's black yet. I haven't tasted it, so we're about to find out. Threw a little bit of the sauce on it that the guy recommended. Let's take a... This is better than pastor. Pastor Negro? Pastor Negro, black pastor. It tastes like a smoked beef brisket. This is one of the best tacos I've ever had. Anyway. Alright, this one. Chinga, coco chinga. So it's made out of coconut. And then chinga is like a tomatoey sauce. Usually it's pollo tinga. So this one's cocoa. The guy recommended this sauce. This is almond. Get the almond on there. It's like spicy, but it tastes like beach. Like if you go to the Caribbean and see coconut everywhere, it tastes like the Caribbean. Anyway, I got another one. What is this one? Cauliflower. I have no idea what's in this. It's cauliflower, so smack that in there. And this is a flour tortilla. It looks like we have a sauce. This is a Greek yogurt sauce. Smack that on in there. See, when you make food videos, you get to eat a lot, but you kind of feel like shit after because you feel fat. But, you know, cheers. It's like a Middle Eastern cauliflower pita, but it's a taco. This is a Mexican pita. Yeah, so this place, Kissing. Game over.
The tacos at Cuisine were incredible and unique, but I needed to go back out for some drinks to wash them down.
So we're in Plaza Santa Lucia in Merida. Every Thursday night they have live music. We're at a place called 500 Noches, 500 Nights. They got a Manhattan. Sucks. Should have thought better that when in Rome, go to Mexico, get tequila, not an American drink. Quick update. Margarita, much better.
Que así aproximan los picos. Como sede se va a titular del Ayuntamiento de Merida.
It's all fun and games, but keep yourself paced while drinking tequila, or you will quickly lose track of your money. I was having a lot of fun eating food, but I was starting to get anxious to explore more. The next restaurant almost put me to sleep. The audio was bad and I wasn't making any sense. I had Cochinita Pibil and it was good, but I needed more. The next day, it was finally time to explore.
The cool thing about this is that the spring equinox, that's sweet. The sun will hit right on that hole and shine through. I don't know if the Mayans did that on purpose or not. I don't know if it's coincidence. Regardless, it's a really cool thing.
Yucatán is a very small site, but very easy to explore as you won't find many other tourists. Beautiful indeed, but I was ready for bigger. After a lot of exploring throughout Yucatán, I made my way back to Merida for one more night of eating before taking off the next day.
So this is called a babzute, I don't know. It's like a tostada. And a tostada is a little crunchy on the bottom. It's like an open-faced taco with a little crunch. So we have some beans. We got some, this is pavo, turkey, avocado. I love these. These are like candied onions. And I'm gonna go out some tomato and lettuce. Tostadas are such a good food when you're just trying to eat something fast or on a budget. Also, a great appetizer. But tostada has everything in it that's Mexican. Corn, beans, chicken, avocado. Done. We have a, I don't know what the hell it is. It's like a pumpkin. And inside the pumpkin we have trees. I could get one. Look at that. Little handmade tortilla. Alright, so we have my third plate of Cochinita Pibil. The best one is by far the one in Izamal. What was the name of that place? I don't remember, whatever. That stuff was phenomenal. Chayamaya was good. This is Restaurante Gastronomica. Oh, I like how they're really little. Really little this time. A little different. Cheers. This one's more tomatoey. The last one was like melting in your mouth. This one's not tripping as much, so it's a lot drier. Or that last one, it's just dripping. This one's a little dry. But really good flavor. Oh, sweet. A little bit of a spice there. Very good pumpkin tortillas. It's good stuff. So we're in Merida Central. Sunday night, Domingo. It's a little loco right now. There's people everywhere. But all over this square you have something called marquesitas. Oh, I hate those people. Marquesitas are basically crepes. And then the original, the kind that you gotta get when you're here, is Nutella. And I think it's like a Parmesan, it's some kind of cheese. I'm not gonna know until we go over and order one. But we're gonna search for the proper marquesitas, so phenomenal. There are all kinds of little snacks out here. We got some plátanos fritos, corn dogs. We got this guy over here doing weird stuff. Literally just selling water and dancing. I don't know what that thing is.
Did you see him sing?
I think I found the spot. Check this out. Just a corner of marquesitas. So, want a ball? Should we get all of them? Ordering is easy. Pick your filling and let the man get to work. We have our marquesita. You saw how it was made. It's just, this piece is a nice little crepe. Really crunchy, listen to that. Really crunchy, it's not like a soft crepe. They make a, oh that's good, it's like pure sugar. So ours, no gracias. I'm making a video. My amigo just jumps in here carrying a bucket. Alright, anyway, so we got a crunchy crepe, very sugary. He loaded it up with a little bit of Nutella inside, and then a little bit of this cheese on top. There's a Hollandaise cheese, so cheese from Holland, very simple. I want you to try to listen to this crunch. I'm a health freak, but holy damn, this is good. Got Nutella, got a crunch. You got this really creamy cheese. It's like a Parmesan. It's kind of dry, but it has like that creamy flavor. It just melts all together. Cheers. I'm gonna go right in the middle. See that right there? A little bit. Good down Nutella on there, baby. I can't believe it took me this long into the trip to introduce you to my favorite, one of my favorite things. I have many favorites. Horchata. Now, horchata is basically just water, sits with rice, and they add a little bit of sugar, not always. I like it without sugar, but sometimes they add sugar. She said this was natural. Anyway, it's just rice water, but it tastes like, what is that cereal? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, after you eat it, the milk, you drink the milk when you're like 5 years old, and you get really excited, you just drink that milk. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Unbelievable. It's refreshing. It's sweet. Got a cinnamon in it. I like cinnamon. It just tastes like the milk after Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
After spending the last 2 years of my life in and out of Mexico, living and traveling, I've learned one thing. This country will always have a special place in my heart. Its scenery, the culture, the food, and above all else, the people. If there's one thing for sure, that is I will never stop coming back to Mexico. There's so much to see. There's so much to do. And I never want to stop learning about and exploring this amazing country. So, until next time. Hasta luego, cabrones.